Hi, my name is SAI KIRAN and I am from Kamareddy, Hyderabad, Telangana State. I have completed my B.Tech in Civil Engineering stream in 2019 from Kshatriya College of Engineering, Armoor, which is affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad. My father is a goldsmith worker. My mother is a school teacher. And we are two siblings and I am the elder one. I came to know about Evision Trainers from Naukri.com. After knowing about Evision Trainers, I have inquired and I have searched, googled about Evision, and I have seen many positive reviews on Evision Trainers. So immediately I have joined Evision. Evision is an IT recruiting and consulting company. After joining Evision, they will offer us 4 courses, that is of CCNA, Windows administration, cyber security, and Linux administration. In CCNA, we have a routing and switching process and IP addressing, subnetting, and OSA models and its layers. And next thing is there is a two routing process, that is of static routing and dynamic routing. In dynamic routing, there is of 3 methods. First one is of OSPF, RIP method, and EIGRP. And next one is and we have VLAN, double LANs, ACL method, and relay frame method. To explain us about the standards of wires and its colors of cables. And in Windows administration, we have virtualization, operating system, and creation of administrator account and user account. And next thing, it is of disk management and device managers and FTP protocol and printer management. And we have domain controller, ADDS server, and Active Directory and Active Directory in fragment. And next thing, we also learn about server client process. And in this we will learn about Outlook, Microsoft. We also learn about Microsoft Outlook. That means creation of OST and PST files, that we can restore how to restore, backup and restore the PST files. And we have also learned about troubleshooting process. It is of BSOD error, blue screen error, and printer troubleshooting. And I have learned some basic knowledge about cyber security and Linux administration. I have gained 80 to 90% of knowledge from CCNA and Windows administration. I have gained theoretical and practical knowledge also. I have attended 7 to 8 mock interviews, and every week there will be one PPT presentation. So by this we can improve our practical and theoretical knowledge. So for every subject and every course there will be different faculty members. For CCNA we have Ibushi sir, Plus Basics and Virtualization we have Roshan sir, and for Windows administration we have Rahul sir, and Manu sir for cyber security, and Tarun Mishra sir for troubleshooting of printer management and OS troubleshooting. I can easily justify that the training given by the above sirs and its concepts are, I gain 100% knowledge, and it is equal to the 1 year of experience as an engineer. I possess skills and experiences that you are looking forward. I am pretty confident that I am the best candidate for this job. I thank Evision for giving me this beautiful opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.